What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sakaya and we are back here with another video. Today I will be showing you guys step by step how I achieved this floral look today. I don't know, I was just feeling like really happy vibes. So like that is what is definitely giving. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and go ahead and give that post notification bell a ring-a-ding-ding so you don't miss out on any new videos that we drop here. We drop new videos every Tuesday, guys, so make sure you're tapping in so you know what's going on and what's new. While we're at it, go ahead and follow me on all of my social media platforms. If you are unaware, I am on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and obviously YouTube. On my other pages, you will find entertaining things like YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, things of that nature, makeup transitions, all that good jazz, zodiac fun. So guys, you don't want to miss out. It's definitely good entertainment. So go ahead and just hop on over there and support me there as well. We do have our website, www.sakayaavco.com. Right now, we are down for maintenance because I am wanting to revamp, redo, upgrade. I also want you guys to be able to go on the website and book your photo shoots or services with me as well. So yeah, once that is up and rolling again, I will definitely let y'all know. So make sure you're staying tuned to every video, every post. But for now, on our site, you will be able to find our new makeup brush collection that we just dropped this past March. You'll also be able to find our new collection of Sakaya Ave mink lashes. And you will also be able to find our new coming soon eyeshadow primers that I will be using in videos to show you guys exactly how they work. But I think that is all I have for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. So we're going to go ahead and hop right to it. We're going to get started with the brows first and make sure we pale out our eyelids really good so the color is like really popping. So now we're gonna go back in with that concealer. I went with a really light one. This is the light beige elf concealer. So we're gonna take some of that, put a little bit more on our hand, and we're just gonna go ahead and beat out our eyelids real good. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2 from Morphe. And I'm gonna go in with this purple right here and just go ahead and do like the center of my eyelid and like underneath and just make that purple. Like we just want to make that really bright and prominent. All right, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit of orange here. I think I might actually mix a little bit with the orange in the James Charles Morphe palette. I don't know, this orange in here is a little bit too red for me. So I'm going to lighten that up with the lighter orange in the James Charles Morphe palette. And that's this one here. And I'm just mixing that top orange with the orange that I just showed you guys in the other palette. And so I'm going to go ahead and take some orange on the end here. And we're just going to kind of smoke that a little bit. And on this side. All right, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit of yellow. And I'm going to use this one here out of the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just going to put some yellow like above the top here. Not a whole lot. Like it's not going to be as prominent as these. But it's definitely going to, you know, bring like that like highlight effect. We're going to kind of like let that be the highlight under the brow type of deal. And then we'll go back, you know, with our highlight. So I'm going to get some yellow and then I'm just going to fade all of this kind of together. And I just want to get my my base colors on my eyes before I start doing like designs and stuff, because I think I'm going to go ahead and do my full base and then come back with the eyeliners and everything and do the floral. But we're going to see how this process goes. So right now I'm just beating in that yellow, and I don't know, maybe in the front it'll be more like bright than the top, just like that. All right, so now that I'm pretty much done with the base of the color on my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do the base on my face. And I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the orange color corrector. This is great for dark spots, any discoloration where you feel like there's like unevenness in your skin or whatnot. This definitely helps your makeup to look a lot better. So we just canceling out. And I mean, same as if like you had red breakouts or anything like that, you would cancel out with green instead of orange. And I actually do have one. So if you do have like red spots or blemishes or anything like that, you will use green instead of orange. Orange is more so for dark spots and discoloration, whereas the green is for like more so acne or whatnot. But we're gonna take our beauty blender and go ahead and just blend that out like that, and then I'm going to follow up with my foundation. As you guys know, every makeup look I use, if it is regular makeup, I do use the L'Oreal Paris Pro Matte collection, and I use shade 112. So that is what we are going to be using today. And I'm just going to put a little bit kind of everywhere so I can just kind of spread things out. Go in with my powder. Y'all, it's cracked, so I'm not gonna hold it up too long because I don't want like whatever's in here to spill out. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pat everywhere with that as well, just like that. I don't rub at all, and usually when I'm doing like my neck area, I just kind of do like a little flick of the wrist type of deal and just kind of bring it down, even with the edges. That way I'm not like rubbing my makeup. Now I'm going to go in with my contour. This is the same exact line from L'Oreal Paris. And I'm going to go in with my bronzer and go ahead and contour. So I'm going to take this little medium size type of brush and go in with my contour. Just like that. And then like I said, when I get around the edges, like I just kind of like flick of the wrist thing and just kind of like pushes all, you know, the color back. That way everything is looking like it's blending. So yeah, now we're just gonna go ahead and put this contour on and follow up with our highlight. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blush. This is an infused blush, and I'm just going to take my brush and go where my cheekbones are. And I like to bring mine around my eye, down the nose, and on the tip of the nose. But since we're doing a floral look, I think I want to look real blushy. So I'm going to go in one more time and make it real pink. Just like that. And then I'll like take this side as well and come down the center of my nose like that. And then kind of like swipe the tip. Just like that. And just beat that blush in around the eye. Get this side nice and pigmented. All right, and that's going to be that. And now we're going to follow that up with our highlight. And I just use the same brush because the highlight and blush is pretty much in the same area. So just get a little bit of that on the side and go around my eye, down the center of my nose and the tip. And then we take our foundation brush and go back over everything really good to make sure everything is blended. Like that. And then I do typically like take some highlight and go like above my lip, my chin, forehead there, and that little area there that we highlighted. Alright, and I'm just gonna kind of dust that out. Just making sure I'm looking crazy with highlight. And like I said, I'll just take my foundation brush and like kind of like run over everything. Before I finish my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips because y'all know how I feel about lips. I can't see what's going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my brown liner, line my lips up, and then kind of figure out what shade of lip I want to do today. I'm not sure yet, so we're gonna figure that out. All right, so I have this MAC lipstick. This is Devoted to Chili. Kind of gives us a little tint here. So I'm gonna see what this looks like. If I don't like it, I'm going with something a little bit more orange, I think. Let's spruce up the lip liner, blend a little bit more, and maybe some gloss. But I don't know. I'm kind of like feeling like a little bit more orange. Maybe I'll just take some of the eyeshadow and kind of dab on the lip. Cool. Loving the lip. Now, let's get into these eyes. Y'all, I don't know what it's gonna look like, but we're just gonna trust the process. And I'm going to probably be back and forth between these two palettes. I'm going to be using the UV taffy liners to draw my little flowers. So, I like the purple in this one because it matches my eye. But I like the orange in this one because ain't no orange in this one. And the purple here. And then obviously the yellow as well, because I said what, purple, orange, and yellow. So yeah, so I'm gonna be back and forth in between these. I was looking for my dotting tool, y'all, but I can't find it. So I hope these circles be as perfect as I can use. But we about to go ahead and dive right into these flowers. And y'all know how I feel about liner. I'm probably gonna put on a little bit of liner. But yeah. All right, so I actually am going to go in with my Clown White. Let me show y'all the top. This is the Clown White from Mayron, y'all. So I'm gonna go in and I guess I'm gonna do my shape of the flower first, kind of fill it in with this white just in case I want to go back in with eyeshadow and, you know, make it like really prominent. The liner, I will go around each flower or whatnot and make my dots and stuff with that. But we're gonna see how this goes because I feel like with the white and being able to use eyeshadow, it'll blend and look really pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and see y'all. Okay, so these palettes are water activated, so I do have a little bit of water here, and I'm just rubbing my brush around, and I'm just gonna go around the edge of what I just did. Right, y'all, this, I'm sorry about this window light, like it's the sun, but I promise you at the end, like I'll make sure you guys can see everything. So all right, now I'm just gonna keep going to go ahead and try to complete this look, because at this point now I'm just drawing my designs and stuff. So I'm gonna keep going and we're gonna see what happens. I think I'm gonna also take a yellow and put like a little dot right in the middle there, so it'll like look like a half dot, like the flower is like cut off because of my eyebrow. And nothing will change that. After all, I come right back to you. That's where I'm supposed to be, yeah. Cause you're my numero uno. You're definitely made for me. And that's the way that it's gonna be. You and me, riding through the streets, yeah. The way you make me smile, no one has done that in a while. That's just confirmation for me that we are meant to be. It's a high that I won't come down. That's why you never see a frown. Cause the love that you give me got my heart racing fast now. Cause you're my numero uno. You're definitely made for me. And that's the way that it's gonna be. You and me, riding through the streets, yeah. Cause you're my numero uno. And nothing will change that. After all, I come right back to you. That's where I'm supposed to be, yeah. Cause you're my numero uno. You're definitely made for me. And that's the way that it's gonna be. You and me, riding through the streets, yeah. All right, y'all, we finally made it to the end. Anyways, okay, bet. So now I'm about to go ahead and find a pair of lashes I like. I'm gonna pop them on, and then I'm gonna give y'all this big look. All right, so I'm going to go with fresh new pair of lashes, guys. But this is style 13. I want to say S13 on the site. This is style 13, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this off, put some glue on, and pop them on. All right, guys, and here is the finished look. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like madly in love with this look. I'm loving the flowers, I'm loving the color. Like, it's the fact